Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to add roadside assistance to your Geico motorcycle insurance policy in 2025. Alright, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this topic at all. Just gonna give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. Now, the first step obviously is going to be to log into your Geico account, which you can do on the mobile app, or you can log in on the Geico website. Now, once you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and click on policy details, and then just select coverage options. And then you want to select the roadside assistance option, and then click add coverage. And now you're going to review and confirm the changes to your policy to make sure that has been added to your policy. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add roadside assistance to your Geico or motorcycle insurance policy. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.